Hello CURLtops, you're watching This Curl Life. I'm Ms.Hairista and today I'll be showing you how I do my wash and go. We are going to start off with freshly washed hair. I shampooed, conditioned, and my hair is soft and ready to go. I'm going to part my hair in 4 sections. That's usually standard for me. So I just like to keep it simple and part it in 4 sections. I usually like a side part. I haven't really worn my hair in a middle part in a really long time. The side part just really suits me. Some of you are about to notice that I am not going to use a leave-in. I don't really use leave-ins much anymore because a lot of them just dilute the effect of your styling product. And on top of that, if you condition properly and your styling product is moisturizing enough, you shouldn't really need one. But we can go into depth about leave-ins in another video. Because there has been so much hype around this product, I am using the Eco Styler Gold with a base of olive oil, castor oil, and shea butter. Everyone is talking about this product, so I just had to use it for the first time, and it smells amazing. What I like to do before I pin up each section is apply some styling product to all of my hair, just because my hair, or all curly hair, tends to dry really quickly out of the shower. So if I quickly apply some gel or some styling products before I pin it up, I won't have to re-wet my hair as much when I get to those last few sections. I'm going to focus on taking really small sections from one of the quarters that I divided my hair into. And I really like to focus on small sections because that way I can distribute the product really evenly throughout the hair and no strand goes untouched. So I really like to focus at the root because a lot of people don't apply enough product close to the roots, and when you think about it, that's where your hair gets frizzy first after a few days. It's at the roots, and that's where it's most noticeable a lot of the times. So the closer you get to the roots, the longer your wash and go will last. I mean, don't get products on your scalp. You don't want any styling product on your scalp, but get as close as you can and make sure all of your strands are really saturated with product. I like my hair to look like slime. That's when I know that my hair is really nicely coated and I'm going to get good results. Because this product doesn't have much slip, I don't think I'll be using it much longer for wash and goes. I like it and I think it'll be great for other styles, but for me, slip is really important when it comes to a styling product for my wash and go, because the harder it is for me to rake the product and distribute it through my hair, the more tension I have to put on my hair and the more breakage I'll see, and it's also more time consuming. When you get to the front 2 sections, take your time. This is what everyone will see, the front of your hair, the front of your face. And so whatever frames your face, you should take time on, focus on a little bit longer. After I'm done styling, I'm going to get under my hooded dryer, my bestie. BFFs for life, but it's been a bad influence on me lately. I've been leaving it on high for a little bit too long when I'm in the rush, but oh well, it happens. Keeping your dryer on high for 10 to 15 minutes isn't going to do much. It's not direct heat, and as long as you don't overdo it, you'll be fine. Once my hair is about 60% dry, then I'll go in with the diffuser and start scrunching. If I have more time on my hands and I want really big, voluminous hair, then I'll just go to the diffuser from the beginning and skip the hooded dryer. Because my hair naturally gets more voluminous as the days go by, I like to keep it low-key on the first day. I don't really use a pick or focus too much on volume. I just let it happen over the course of a few days. Because your roots are the least porous parts of your hair, they will take a lot longer to dry, especially with product on them. So after the diffuser, I'll take the detachment off or add the nozzle so I can concentrate that air on a specific section. After I'm done, I just play around with it, have fun. I do my little dance, my happy dance. Enjoy your hard work. Let us know in the comments below how you do your wash and goes, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching This Curl Life, where you can learn to love your hair one curl at a time. You know he's only calling 'cause he's drunk and alone.